Looking at a sky so clear, so much to discover here. Setting out on my own, all the places I can go. It's a long, 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 long and winding road.
The visitor center, I believe, opens at 8 o'clock in the morning now and closes at either 4 or 5 o'clock. You'll have to check that out.
Okay.
But the park itself is 24 hours a day.
Okay.
Now this card is good for 2 people to sign. From January onward, it'll only be 1 person per card. Use the same signature or name for sure that's on your driver's license. Every time you use the card, you'll be showing your driver's license. You'd like them to match.
All right, Zion. First hike of the day, 7:15. Here's the truck. It's got railings, even. Look at them. That's a long ways down. That was a long ways down there. Go. Across the little bridge. Emma commentary? What do we got?
I don't know.
Nothing? Got nothing today?
Yeah.
Is it too early in the morning?
Yeah.
She's got nothing today. We're wearing her out too early in the morning.
Yeah, I think the picture taking spot's just right here.
Right up there. Done with that hike. Other end of the park, through the tunnel, other end of the park, get on a bus, go up in the canyon, and do some more hiking. Okay? Yeah? You ready? Ready to do it? I'm educating them. What did you find there?
My coffin.
It's not a leaning chair.
Made it myself. It is a leaning chair. Made it myself. Made it myself.
Finally made it to the sun. It's warm. Started the day at 19 degrees. And they're tired. And hungry. Oh my goodness, it's like 9 a.m. and they're hungry. So we're going upward first. Upper Emerald Falls. 0.4.
1, 2, 3, Emma. Audrey, stick your head out. Picture I take.
I got this in every picture. I can make it go away.
You have to go first. She said Emma.
Yeah, I wanted you to look at me too, because you're in the picture.
I want to see how Emma makes it through. You almost fell. Upper Emerald Pools. There you go. Look at this. This camera's not gonna do nothing for us, but
Where's the camera?
look at how that's a wall all the way around
Where's
this.
the waterfall?
That is insane. Wow. I wonder how tall that is. It's got to be like, I have no idea. Tall.
It's so clear.
There's your waterfall right there. Comes out of the hill. Rocks.
It's so tiny.
Mountain. Look at the size of that rock. All right, who's going swimming?
It looks like gooey chocolate. No swimming.
Oh, it does say no swimming? Oh,
It looks like
Guess you can't go swimming.
It looks like gooey chocolate. Looks like, actually, it looks like.
I don't think I'd lick it. Is it cold?
Here comes the splash.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Could I hit that rock?
Oh, what's that?
That's why we drove up here.
That's why we hiked up here?
It's clear.
It looks like we're down.
They say if you don't get it with the sun in the middle of the day, it kind of just looks like
Looks like this.
but in the middle of the day, it's, you can see
I can see the bottom. Can I, Daddy? Try hitting that rock.
Try hitting what rock? No.
So when it gets a bunch of water, this must have.
It all falls down that way.
Here, 3, 2, 1. I missed it.
You missed it. All right. I don't know if that hike was.
Worth it or not?
It's cool. The pool isn't the cool part. That right there is the cool part. That you're actually sitting in like a bowl. It's fully all the way around you.
It's gonna fall on us.
That's insane. How tall is that? Like,
I don't like that.
I don't even know.
Like the water used to be up to like there.
800 feet? Or way more than that? I have no idea.
Yeah, looks like the water used to be up to that black part.
God, that's tall.
Yeah, it does.
Huh, that's cool. It's kind of treacherous coming up here.
What?
An animal. Oh, there it is. I see the animal. There he goes. Squirrel.
Well, he lives in the mountains.
Look at all the trees.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Don't be secret.
What was that? Oh, yeah, there's the sign. No swimming. I didn't see that on the way in. I was too busy jumping down these rocks.
Yeah, this tree.
What are we feeling?
It's rude.
I have no idea.
50?
I have no idea.
I want to try to get up. Here, come here.
All right, ready? Jump. 1, 2.
Hi, Clofty.
Oh, there we go. In the sun. This is sunbathing. Girl's napping on a rock. Found ourselves a rock to nap on.
This is your rock.
The view from the rock.
Wait, face the camera up.
Up? Like as in, you want to see up that? Right there?
No, lay down like this.
Oh, you want to lay down with you? What are you doing?
Painting my nails.
You waiting for us or what?
Yes. What I doing?
You trying to fall or what?
Watch this.
Jump. Just in case Emma gets out of hand, I can chain her up. Got a lock on it. Chain you to a rock.
No.
This kind of looks like a wet situation.
Did you sneak through?
Be careful, because it's gonna be slippery.
How about you go first? I'll go.
I can't. Is it wet?
That's sewer water?
Is it sewer water? Oh, it wasn't wet at all. Looks like this could be slippery.
Not really.
What you waiting there for? She stops at the sign that says Rockfall area. We turn around and say, where'd Audrey go? And she is literally standing just like that at the sign. Stopped. That's funny. All right, Emerald's pool. Top one is all right. Go to the center one. Or no, go to the lower one. The lower one is the best. It's the end of the road. The narrow starts there. Get some water gear and go for a hike. Through the water. Walk in 1 mile on a paved trail. And then go up that. I didn't really do research on it, so I don't know if it's 15 miles or what it is.